AI in robotics. So if you take self-moving robots, AI makes these robots really smart at moving around on their own. So it's like just giving them a built-in GPS and clever brain. So they can figure out where to go and how to get there without bumping into things or needing a person to show them the way. So this helps them to do tasks like delivering packages or exploring places on their own, making them super independent. And the second one is object recognition and manipulation. So AI, it gives robots sharp eyes and clever hands. So it helps them see objects clearly and then pick them up and move them just right. This is super useful, right? So especially in places like warehouses where they can do the things like sorting and packaging items accurately. And the last one is collaboration of humans and robots. AI makes it possible for robots to be great team players with people. They can work alongside humans, helping out and learning from them. If a person does something, the robot can understand and follow their lead. This make workplaces safer and more efficient, like having a trusty robot colleague who understands and supports you. Next one is AI in human resources. Artificial intelligence is increasingly transforming human resources practices, offering innovative solutions to streamline processes, enhance decision making, and improve employee experiences. So, these are some ways AI is being applied in human resources. First one is recruitment and talent acquisition. So for recruitment, first resume screening should be done, right? So for that, AI algorithms, they analyze resumes to identify relevant skills, experience and qualifications, thus enable the recruiters to shortlist candidates efficiently. And after that, candidate matching is done. So again, AI powered platforms, they match candidates profile with job requirements based on criteria like skills of user or skills of person, experience, and the cultural fit, thus improving recruitment accuracy. So best example for this is AI tools like LinkedIn Talent Solutions. They mainly use machine learning to recommend suitable candidates and predict the job fit, reducing time to hire and improving candidate quality. Second one is employee engagement and performance management. So here feedback analysis is done. So AI tools, they mainly analyze the employee feedback from surveys, then performance reviews and social platforms to find sentiment, identify trends, and improve engagement. Then performance insights. So this AI-driven analytics provide insights into employee performance in identifying top performers, areas for improvement, and coaching opportunities. So, we have this application which uses predictive analysis to anticipate employee turnover risks. So, it will identify factors affecting engagement and also recommend retention strategies. And we have third one is HR operations and administrative efficiency. So here process automation is done. So AI automates routine HR tasks such as payroll processing or leave management or compliance reporting. So it reduces administrative burden and errors. Then chatbots and virtual assistants. So AI powered chatbots, they mainly provide instant responses to employee inquiries about policies, benefits, or HR procedures. So it improves service quality or service delivery. So best example for the third one is AI powered HRIS. AI powered HRIS, which means human resource information system. So this platform, it integrates data management, analytics, as well as automation capabilities to streamline HR operations and improve efficiency. Then AI in gaming. So it helps in creating games. So first one is creating game worlds with AI. So AI, it can make parts of video games all on its own. So it can create levels, maps, and places to explore without people having to make them by hand. So this means games can have bigger and more interesting worlds because AI does a lot of work, kind of like a game world builder. It helps game developers too. Next, we have the second one is making games look and feel real. So AI it helps to make games look and act more like the real world. So they create graphics that look just like the things we see, and they make how things move in games feel realistic like in real life. So they even guess what players might do next, so the game looks smooth and natural. Then smart game characters. So AI is like the brains behind game characters that aren't controlled by the players. They make these characters act more like real people or clever enemies. They can learn from what players do and change their behavior, which make games more exciting and lifelike. Imagine playing a game where the bad guys learn and adapt to your moves. That's what AI does. Then AI in social media. So, first we have virtual assistants and chatbots. AI chatbots and virtual assistants, they act like digital helpers on social media. So, they are quick to respond and can talk to you just like a real person. So, they can answer any type of question or they'll share information and even help with problems. So, it's like having an assistant available 24 by 7, making your social media experience smoother and more helpful. Next one is smart suggestions. So AI helps as a guide on social media. It watches what you like and what you do. And then it suggests things you might enjoy, like posts, videos, or ads. It acts as someone who knows your taste and shows you stuff you are really into, making your social media experience more enjoyable and personalized. Next, we have sentiment analysis. AI can figure out how people feel on social media. So it looks at what they say in comments and posts and decide if it's a happy, sad, or neutral kind of message. This helps companies understand what people think so they can react in the right way. It's like having a mood gauge for the internet so business can make their customers happier. And the last one is AI in marketing. So, in this first one is customer insights and personalization. So here, AI algorithms they analyze a vast amount of customer data from multiple channels to identify patterns and predict the behavior. So this enables marketers to understand customer preferences, interests, and purchase intent more accurately. Even AI powered recommendation engines they suggest products or content based on individual user behavior, enhancing customer experience and increasing conversion rates. So, best example for this is Amazon. So, it uses AI to recommend products to customers based on their browsing and purchasing history, thus significantly boosting sales. Second one is predictive analytics. AI predicts future trends and outcomes by analyzing historical data patterns. So, in marketing, predictive analysis helps forecast customers' lifetime value and optimal times for marketing campaigns. Best example is Netflix, which uses AI to predict user preferences and behavior, recommending TV shows and movies that users are likely to enjoy, thereby increasing viewer engagement, personalized email marketing, optimizing the customer journey, and improving sales outcomes. Third one is ad targeting and optimization. So here AI enhances ad targeting by analyzing user data and behavior to deliver highly targeted and relevant ads. Machine learning algorithms optimize ad placements, bidding strategies, and creative elements in real time to maximize ad performance. Best example is Google Ads. which uses AI to automatically adjust bidding strategies based on historical data and user interactions. Thus, it ensures ads are shown to users most likely to convert.